Hi friends, welcome to Home Learner TV, where learning starts at home. Today, we are learning the sound of letter A. This is capital letter A, and this is small letter a. The letter A makes the sound ah, ah. The first example is apple, ah.
Apple. The second example we have is ah, ant. The third example we have is arrow, ah, arrow.
The last example we have for this video is
ah, axe.
As a recap, the example short sound A on this video are first is ah, apple. Second is ah, ant. Third is arrow, arrow. The last example is axe, axe, axe. Hi there. Now it's your turn to say the words with short R sound. Good job, apple. Next word. Good job, ant. Try the third word and make it louder. I heard you well, arrow. And the last one is axe. Perfect. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now, learners.